I'm going to go over a little bit about different gutter sizes. We offer gutter in 5-inch and gutters in 6-inch. The 6-inch, no matter what, if you have a steel roof, I'm going to give you a quote for the 6-inch. Just because the steel roof, there's no roofing granules and there's no obstacles to slow the water down as it's flowing. So with that, you're going to accumulate more water in your gutter than you would with an asphalt roof. So we'll put 6-inch gutters on the roof for that, and then 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts. A 3-inch by 4-inch downspout can handle about 1,000 to 1,100 square feet of roof water. And then on an asphalt shingle roof, if your slope is an 8-12 or above, we'll also do 6-inch, just because the steep is enough to allow a lot of water to come down into those gutters. But anything under an 8-12 pitch, 7-12 and down, just the average 5-inch gutters with a 2-inch by 3-inch downspout every 30 feet will be enough to take care of 600 square feet of roof water. So if you think your gutters don't have enough downspouts, or if you think you have the wrong size of gutters, give Top Rated Gutters a call and I'll be glad to stop out and take a look at all that with you.